Hey guys, it's me Chance, welcome back to another video, and today guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video guys, welcome back Granny Chapter 2. We're playing this once again. Now, there has been a new update. I've known about this update for a while, so I just couldn't record it because of my space, but now I have some space, so I went ahead and recorded this video. I will be showcasing, my next video I will be doing Master Devilo, so if you haven't seen my Instagram post, go see that on my Instagram. Go follow me at Chance Hope Official, I think. I don't know, I'll see. Yeah, if you haven't seen my Instagram page, go follow me on Instagram. I said I would do a video of Master Devilo, so I'll be doing that in my next video. I just wanted to check this update out real quick. So, if I read about the update, and it said that you can now escape in a helicopter. That's going to be pretty exciting and pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and play on easy. Let's have both. Okay, this should be it. Let's go ahead and play. Okay, we already know the tips. Let's go ahead and get into the game. Loading into the game. Okay, here we go. Day 1. See what this game's about. Okay, so if I do remember correctly, I did notice that they changed up the menu screen a little bit too, so that's pretty cool. If I do remember correctly, I did play this game a while back. If you followed my channel, alright, let's go ahead and get out. Alright. So, let me go ahead and open up down here. See, I just checked down here, just to make sure if there's anything. What's this? Duct tape? Okay, this is important. We found something. Alright, that's good. Duct tape. That's definitely a new update. Ooh, Grandpa's coming down here. Oh, snaps. Oh no. Alright, is he still? There's this crowbar. So if I remember correctly, he can't hear anything. He can only see me. Did I do that? Okay. I haven't seen Granny yet. Well, we haven't seen Granny yet. I forgot y'all are watching. Nope. Nothing in there. Let me try my sensitivity a little bit. Hold on. There we go. Nothing. I got a feeling this is gonna be pretty hard, so I'll do my best. Ooh, I think I made noise. Where's Granny? Where's Granny? Oh snap. Oh no. Hi! Go. Go. Go upstairs. This might be a bad idea, but go upstairs. Is she following us? She's following us. She sees us, guys. Come to bed. Woo! Okay, this is good. I don't want to put the picture together. I don't. I need a security key. So we know that security key that is on Grandpa. Okay, let's go out here. Anything out here? I don't see anything. Okay, a wrench. Oh no. Go. Whoa, what's out here? This must be a part of the new update. What? I don't. What's this? I need a wrench. just had the wrench. Alright, let me go get the wrench. Hopefully they don't come down. Hopefully they don't come out. Go, 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 go. Alright. Check in here real quick. Anything in here? What's this? Helicopter manual. No. Get. No. No. Oh my god. Bear trap. What's this? Shotgun ammo. Meat. No. I'm cornered. I'm dead. Oh my god. Just smacked the crap out of me. Okay. This is not how I saw my day going. Okay. Alright, let me get back up here. I know I dropped the tape somewhere. I dropped it in that thing. And I had the helicopter. Go. 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 Granny, please don't be up here. No! No! I'm cornered again! Go! Juke! Dang it. This is not going so far good, guys. What the... I don't know what to do. If I can't get it in this video, I'll try to get it in the next video, and then I'll make the showcase of Devilos of Erase. I think I said Venom at the beginning of the video. I didn't mean to say Venom. Please. Okay. Oh no. No! Open that. What is... Door lock! Get the door lock! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Okay. I don't think we've been over here yet. In this little pet area. Oh no. Oh no. What's this? What's that? Oh, it's a piece of thing. What's this? This wasn't here. Oh my god, we need to open that. Great. What does that lead to? I wonder. Oh my god, leave me alone, Grandpa. You don't see nothing. Oh my god, go. Go. For Pete's sake, y'all get off my back. Let me live. Under here. Ooh. That was close. Please go away. Please go away. Okay, she went away. You can get this wrench. That drops down to there. So, come on. Get a wrench. What's this? That just leads down to here. Oh my god, there's Grandpa. Just fell on him. I got the security key, guys. I got it. Yes. Let's go. Open the room. Oh my god, no. What's this? Somebody's blocking the door from the other side. We already know what that does. I don't think we need that. What's this? What? That's where the pieces go. So we did need that for something. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back, and guys, I did end up freaking dying or getting hit again. So I'm on my last day. This is not good. I was going up to the staircase to that leads up to that room. And Grandpa met me there, and he freaking intercepted me, and he freaking hit me with the crowbar. Oh my god. This is good. See, this is where the other piece went, right here. Oh no. Oh, get in here. Yeah. See, here. Lock door. Go here. Yep. It's that. I should open that door once we get the last piece. So I'll be right back when we get the last piece. Oh my god, guys. No. Oh my no. No. I can't believe we freaking failed. No. Oh my god. No. Please. Please. Okay, guys, so I am back, and this time I'm only playing with Grandpa on, because if I have Granny on it, I feel like it's going to be too hard. Let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, guys, so I got 2 paintings there. I just need to find the last one. I got the taser. I just need to shoot Grandpa, and then we can get those 2 up there. And then I can find the 3rd one if I have enough time. Or I have to shoot him. If I have to shoot him again, I will, and I have to grab the 3rd one. Find that room. First, I gotta get the security key from him. No, Grandpa. No, Grandpa. No, Grandpa. Oh, no. Security. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. All right, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. There we go. Okay, guys, I got both paintings there. I just need to find the last one, so I'll be right back with the last one. Okay, guys, so I have gotten all 3 paintings, as you can see, and I opened the door, so now let's go ahead and go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so there's like I'm guessing this is like for the shotgun. So wait, what if we press the button? Oh, okay. So I found the weapon key, so let me go back and get the weapon key and get a shotgun. Bro, hold on, look at Grandpa. That man's dancing. Oh crap, go. Okay, so I shot Grandpa just now. Let me go back up here. Okay, here we go. Back up. Oh my god, I'm sucking. Stay still. God. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I got them all. Let me go ahead and get some ammo. Wait. What happened to my gun? Can I get ammo out of this, please? Like, okay, I'm going to can. Alright. Glass fuse. Okay, the glass fuse is right here. Where's Grandpa? Let me shoot Grandpa. No, forget it. Okay, got the glass fuse. Okay, put it right there. What's in here? What's this? Whoa. The helicopter. What's this? What happened here? Wait. I need to fix this rotor blade. The duct tape. Okay. Got the duct tape. Tape it on there. Okay. Can't we get in now? Like, start engine. I can't start the helicopter yet. Okay. Guys, look what we just found. Oh my god, we just found hand grenades. Y'all, we just found hand grenades. Hold up. Let me go find Grandpa. I need to try this out. Hopefully I don't get killed because I'm on day 4. Come on. Grandpa was just in here. I heard the music. Where's he at? Grandpa! Got a little treat for you. Where is he at? Is he downstairs? I am downstairs. What the heck? Where is he? Is he back up? Is he down here? Oh no. Forget it. I'll just throw it. Whoa. Alright. Okay, guys. We're about to win. I just need to put the gasoline in. And then we're good to go. Hold on, what's gasoline? Gasoline in. And I'll be back. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. We have it. Oh my god. My heart's racing. Let me get. Give me that. Give me the helicopter key. Go in here. Start the engine. Yes. Yes. Guys, here we go. The ultimate ending. The ultimate ending. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Woo! Oh my god, look at this ending. There's Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Bye. We did it. We did it, guys. Oh my god. Here we go, guys. That was the new update. I did kind of play some gameplay off camera just because, so I can like go ahead and like my storage, so I can go ahead and get everything ready. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, guys.